How to fix VBox not showing in Fortnite Mobile. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you the very basic troubleshooting step for you on fixing VBox not showing in Fortnite Mobile. Now the very first step that you want to have to do is to make sure that if you purchase a VBox directly from Epic Games, make sure that that specific purchase was successfully completed. Now, once you've done that and it's not popping out or is not visible on the application, here's what you can try to do. Now, just head straight into your Fortnite mobile application and then just simply tap and hold the app. Choose on this eye logo at the right side of Fortnite so that you will land on the app info. Now, from app info, just scroll down and then under usage, go into storage, choose on clear data, and choose on delete. Now, do not worry in using those specific features because it will not delete your account. It will just refresh the application for possible crashes and bugs. However, if it is still not showing on your end, then your last resort is to contact support. And that's how you fix VBox not showing in Fortnite Mobile.